We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. You got this topic and you have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please.
It was a golden and navy blue sari and I bought it in 30,000. Back in 2018, it was my elder sister's wedding and we decided to order the same dress for me and my younger sister, but they were charging the same amount for my younger sister dress. For that's why we dropped the idea to order her dress, because it was like awful to spend such large amount of money on a kid whose size is going to change within an year or so we decided to buy a ready-made dress for her, and for me we confirmed the order on phone, and the salesperson who took the order on phone, he forgot to mention to the owner. And when I went there to pick up the dress 3 or 4 days before the wedding, and they said we didn't prepare your dress and you didn't made an order. I was completely shocked at that time. So at that time I was also busy in my university mid exams. It was quite difficult for me to go to markets and search for something which is reasonable and cheap. That's why I bought this sari from Zara Ahmed. It cost 30,000. That's the reason I spent.
Okay, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Overall, it's good. You spoke fluently. Apart from few grammatical mistakes, you said whose size. It should have been whose size. And then you should come up with a variety of tone. Tone is what we call lehcha, the way you are speaking. And then you said didn't made. After did, we don't use second form. Didn't make. Right? So these type of mistakes, but apart from this, it's good. But I would advise you to speak as long as you are interrupted by the examiner. I mean, you don't stop. Wait for the examiner to stop you, and when examiner says that's enough or this thing, it means you got to conclude your answer and finish. Right? So looking at your overall performance, at present, I'll give you 6. With a little improvement, you can make it 6.5 and then above.
Stuck on
All right?
6 from
Yeah.
last 3 weeks.
Okay.